Micturition, also known as urination, begins when stretch receptors in the bladder wall detect at least 200 milliliters of urine in the bladder. These receptors send afferent signals via sensory fibers in the pelvic nerve to the spinal cord. An efferent signal returns to the bladder via parasympathetic fibers in the pelvic nerve and ganglia in the bladder wall that excites the detrusor muscle and relaxes the internal urethral sphincter. This is all involuntary. That is the internal urethral sphincter. There is voluntary control of the bladder also. These stretch receptors also send a signal to the spinal cord that travels up to the pons in the brain. In the nucleus of the pons is the micturition center that takes that information and combines it with other information from the cerebrum and amygdala. A signal passes down the spinal cord to the sympathetic neurons that will allow the internal sphincter to relax. Some signals also excite the detrusor muscle, causing it to contract. One final stage must also be accomplished, which is the relaxation of the outer urinary sphincter, which gives us control of when we urinate. Nerve fibers travel down the spine from the cerebral cortex to the somatic motor neurons that normally keep the outer urinary sphincter closed and tell it to open and urinate. As the system matures, this ability develops in early childhood. Thank you very much.